Hello, from lamps, buckets, bowls to curtain rugs, fabrics, and clothes. Let's see what's trending in 2019. Well, good day here, everybody. It's me, Chanel, here from Angelic Interior Designs, and today I am talking about, and we're going to be discussing being on trend. Now, for those of you out there who like to be on trend with what's going on in the decor world, or with clothing, colors, textures, and different things, that is what this particular video is all about. Now, I noticed something that was really trending. This is a color that actually was trending in 2016, I believe it was. It was a Pantone color of the year, and it was called Serenity. It is a beautiful blue color, and with this color, I do like blue. I love blue a lot. It was actually my mom's favorite color. And this blue is not a very rich blue. It is almost a pastel-y blue, or if you want to call it sort of a denim-y blue. And if you notice out when you're shopping, and I'll insert some pictures as well of pillows that are trending with this color, bedding that is trending with this color, clothing that is trending with this color, as well as many other things, and I'll insert again some pictures of different things that are trending with this particular color. Again, it was 2016 color, Serenity, but it is popping up all over the place again. So again, for those of you who want to be on trend and you don't want to spend a lot of money, of course, you know, here at Angelic Interior Designs, I'm all about saving some money, but of course having a pretty space as well. So being on trend or finding something on trend, you can go to your local stores, find vases, and again, I'll insert some pictures. And I was really liking this particular blue. And again, with my palette that is in the room being a very neutral palette, neutral background, I was able to go out and find a very good find. I would think so myself. It was actually located at the thrift store. It's a great thrift store find. And it was a blue vase. And I'm going to show you in the clips where I got the vase, what I did with the vase, and then how we're going to style the vase. So keep watching. Now again, you can find some really great items at your local thrift stores, yard sales, consignment stores, etc. And here I am featuring a couple of other vases also that I find at an excellent bargain. They were actually half off, so they ended up being $1. And this vase was like $2.99, I believe, right at that price. And here I'm using the Honest Company cleaner. I love this stuff. This is some excellent, great cleaner. Smells wonderful as well, and not a lot of chemicals as well. And you want to give your item a really good bath once you get it home, cleaned up, and then get ready to place it in your area of choice. So let's continue with the video. Now, I showed you in the previous clip where I got the vase and how it came to be, and the price of the vase. Again, it was $2.99, an excellent find. Yes, $2.99 at thrift store at the Goodwill. What a find. This could have been a Fab Friday find. Well, it probably will be. But it is trending, the particular color in the beautiful Serenity blue. And I really like it. Again, it fits right in, as you can see, into the neutral palette that is going on in the room. So if I wanted to add it with pink, I can add it with pink. I can add it with gold, you can add it with silver, you can add it, as you can see, with gray. It just goes with a multitude of colors, and it is a beautiful color. It is light, it's not very pastel-y, but almost leaning towards the pastel family. And I really like it. I think it's very pretty. So let's zhuzh it up a little bit. Let's add some style to it. Then you come into your space, like if you have a book collection, and remove one of your books, or find your books that have, you know, the exact colors or colors that you may be using as well. And I'm going to take a book or a couple from here and incorporate them into the decor. Now I showed you how you can also shop your home, of course. Like me, I have a library, a vast array of different books of different subjects, and so I was able to go in there, pull the covers off of my particular books, and this particular book is about faith. It's wonderful. It has the beautiful blue color, and also this is a old book of mine. It's very, very old. Decorating and dining and entertaining, because that's what I do love to do as well, hosting and different things like that. And again, it's a very, very old book. It does have the blue color as well. It's not exact, but it all blends in. You don't want to be exact when you are doing your decorating, designing, and styling. You don't want to be exact, matchy with everything. You want the colors to vary. You know, you want it to tone down, and you want to add also some richness with your different colors. And so let's style these up, and let's see how our trending find is going to work out for me. Now we're going to do this right up top of the console table, the cabinet that I have in my office, and I'm just going to remove the pink. Maybe not all of it. We'll just remove a couple of the elements. We have the books. And you want to do them, layer them by size, of course. And you can angle them just to add some interest rather than leaving them straight. Angle them to add some interest as well. Trending find. You can place it up top of the books and add some height. You can add it alongside the books as well, and you can add the other elements around it just to add some extra interest. Looks that way. Put that in the back. Add this over here and place the pink over here. You can do that. Add you some faux florals, of course. Keep them all up right out of the vase, right there in your now trending find. So I want to thank you all for joining me. This has been Chanel here from Angelic Interior Designs. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. And don't forget again that little notification bell that sits right down there in the corner. You can press that and you'll get notifications of any new uploads that I may have. And don't forget, of course, that community tab as well that is located up there in the bar, and it's along this side over here to your far left, it should be, and you can click on that and you can check on any new things that may be going on over there in the community, updates, videos that may be upcoming, again a poll maybe if that is taking place. Just check the community tab. Just take the community tab whenever you get a chance to. And I want to thank you for joining me. Again, this has been Chanel, and I'll see you in the next one.